Welcome back friends, and in MI and other mobile you can take a screenshot by just 3 fingers like that, but in Samsung mobile it is not. I am going to tell you some methods by which you can take this screenshot by sliding your finger. The most conventional one by which you are taking screenshot is power side key and then minus key simultaneously, and then this screenshot has been come and saved into the gallery. I am going to cover some other methods, and if you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So first thing, activate edge panel, and how it has to be activated has been already covered. You can go to the library and playlist and you can search that. Once you come to the here, then pin to screen. Now select whatever you want to take, just tap here, see, okay, 1 minute. First, before tapping pin to screen, it is happened. Now tap here, now download it. Now go to the gallery, and here in screenshots you can send. So this is first thing. For activating edge panel, go to the setting, search for edge, and here edge panel, turn it on. Go to the edge panels. From here you can select the things what you want to see in the edge panel. So this is the first method. The second method is very important, and in this method you can take a screenshot by sliding your finger. Means for this, go to the Samsung store and then Galaxy stores and download Good Lock. It will open. Just search for Good Lock. Okay, I have already downloaded it. You download and give permission if it is asking. Then go to the one hand operation, and when you will select, it will ask for download it. I have already downloaded it. Then turn it on. Now for left and right handed, I have selected right handed. You can select left handed also. So if right handed selected, see what will happen. Go, and now when you slide it, screenshot has been already taken. Okay, screenshot is already taken, means what is happening, one-handed operation on. One more thing you have to do, go to the right handle, select it, and then go to the straight left what you want to do, and here go below and screenshot. It has to be activated. Now see, if you are straight left, screenshot has been taken. Now it is coming straight left, screenshot has been taken. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.